to pull out these car seats to start with, and then I can take a bag and pull out all of the rubbish that is accumulated all down the side of my doors. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Jacqui here, and today I am bringing you a car clean with me. Now my car is in dire need of this clean, with 3 little ones, well especially 2 toddlers. My car gets all sorts of toys and teddies and books and you name it, it's in there. I have half the beach in my car. There's sand all down the side of the seats, and the car seats themselves are really messy. I need to pull these out and give these a clean. So yeah, if you guys are looking for some motivation or inspiration in your day, you've got the same kind of job to tackle or something else, then please come along with me. Let's do this together and smash the job out. Okay guys, hope you enjoy. I need to take the bag and pull out all of the rubbish that I find under my seats. It's stuffed down the side of my doors. Well, being one of those mums that first thought I'd never give my kids something to eat in the car has changed since I've had kids. I would love that rule to exist, but now it comes down to it, and I have little ones that get hungry and lose the plot, or you're waiting for an appointment and we lose the plot, something like this, or long distance travel, I don't know. But anyway, yes, they get to eat in the car, and so I get sticky grubby fingers, food wrappers everywhere, and mess everywhere. So these car seats are in need of a good clean out, and then I can get started with vacuuming the car out. Then I'm going to move on and use this detailing spray. This is just for the interior. So I spray this over all of the side of the doors and around the dashboard area.
I got this feeling like it's starting now, starting now. I feel adventurous with you. And there is nothing that can hold us back, hold us back. We can do what we want to do. 'Cause we got all the time in the world. For better or worse, we should stay together. So let's stay.
I'm using specific window car cleaner here. It just gives it the anti-fog and anti-gloss look, and not glary when you try and look at your windscreen and then realise it wasn't wiped properly or something. So I was so grateful my partner had given me a car wash voucher. So I popped down and put the kids in the car and popped down and did that. Please wait. What are we doing? We're in the car wash. Oh! Spraying stuff we can't see. Oh. Wow.
We can't say anything.
Okay guys, I hope this was motivational and or inspirational for you guys for whatever task you might be tackling within your day. We got a nice clean car now. Whether it is a car clean like this or any other cleaning. I know I sure like to watch other videos of cleaning to get me in that go at it mode and smash the job out. So hope you all enjoyed. Thanks very much for tuning in, and I appreciate you all. Thanks very much. See you next time. Bye.